Hello everyone. Today you are going to learn chapter 6 Time, Day, Night. The period between sunrise and sunset is called as day. The period between sunset and sunrise is called as night. The days are bright and sunny. The nights are cool and dark. We can see the moon and the stars in the sky at night. The sun rises in the morning. The sun sets in the evening. Children, your day starts when you get up. After that, a routine follows like cleaning, bathing, eating breakfast, going to school, studying, coming back to home, taking rest, play with friends, doing homework, helping parents in some places, watching TV, going to bed. The day ends at night when you goes to bed. A day has four parts: morning, noon, evening and night. Let's see when we do these activities. Bathing. We take bath in the morning. Go to school. We go to school in the morning. Playing. We play in the evening. Sleeping. We sleep at night. Shall we do some exercise? Okay. Tick the activities that you do in the morning. Here, some activities are given. Shall we tick the activities that you do in the morning? Okay. We do brush and bath in the morning. So, tick bath and brush. Next, tick the activities that you do in the evening. Bath, play, return from school, go to bed. We play and return from school in the evening. So, tick, play and return from school. Next is tick the activities that you do in the day. Shall we tick? Okay. We do all the activities in the day. So tick all the activities. Last exercise, tick the activities that you do at night. We go to bed and dream at night. So tick dream and go to bed. Next concept is number the activities in sequence. Here is the process of making chapati, but we have to arrange in proper sequence. First, the man is taking flour to make chapati. Second, the man is adding water to the flour. Third, the man is kneading the dough. Fourth, the man is rolling the dough. Fifth, the man is making chapati. Lastly, the girl is eating chapati. Next concept, activities that take shorter time or longer time to complete the work. In a day, we do so many works, but there are some works in which we need less time to complete it, like sharpen the pencil, open the door. But there are some works in which we need more time to finish it, like to fill a bucket with water and writing homeworks. Let's move on to the exercise. Tick the activity that will take longer. Which activity take longer time? The pipe will take a little longer time to fill water in the drum. Which activity take a longer time? The boy who is walking on the path will take a little longer time. Thank you.